What's up, friends? I want to show y'all this new Eagle that we got in. Uh, just got in this baby and checked it in, and wow. This took the place of the 274 CKTS, I believe is what it was. This is an HT, little bitty 3-slide unit, and it is super immaculate, folks. 30-pound LP bottles up here. That's 2 of them. Electric tongue jack. This unit has auto level, comes with an outside griddle. It's just nice. Got outside speakers, big awning. Let's get in this baby and check it out. All right, folks, here we go. This thing is gorgeous. Fireplace, Furion, Bluetooth system, which is really nice. It's a long couch too. That's pretty cool, y'all. This one's got 2 whisper quiet units on it, and that's 15,000 BTU. And the theater seats. Designed by Miss Stacy Stewart herself. Stacy Stewart is our interior decor at Jayco. She is a pretty awesome lady. It's got the BM Pro system. You just sync that baby up to your phone, and your phone becomes your operating tool. This has got a nice modern decor for a bathroom. Oops, sorry, I bumped the door. You can put a washer and dryer in this closet here, and you can access it from the bedroom, which is just super huge to me. Or use it for storage. That's pretty cool. And then let me get this door out of the way. Sorry, I hadn't even made the bed up because this is the first time I've been in this unit to make footage on it. Apologize for that one. I'll have it made up next time. It's super cool, y'all. If you're interested in purchasing one of these HTs, get out here and see us. Backcountry RV Center here in good old Meridian, Mississippi. My name's Billy Estes. I'm part of our sales staff, and we want to earn your business. We are a full service center. We are exclusive Jayco. Those are all Jaycos you see down there. Anyway, get at us, people.